Hello, students. How are you? I hope you are good and studying hard. Okay, great. Today we have another grammar lesson. Today should be easier than some of the other grammar lessons, but it is very important grammar. Okay, so if it's too difficult, you can watch the video again. And if you get tired, take a break and then come back. Okay, and try to practice the video more than once until you understand, until it is easy. Okay, great, but don't worry, we will go slow. Okay, so look at your screen and pay attention. Okay, today's grammar practice is lesson 4. When is your birthday? Lesson 4, when is your birthday? So today we will be practicing about talking about time. Okay, we have a question word here that we use with time. When? Onje. When? Okay, so today's grammar. We will review cardinal numbers, and ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Okay, so we will review cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. If you don't know what those are, it's okay. I will teach you and we will review. Okay, next we will learn how to ask when something happens. Using the question form, when is When is So we got a question word for time, when, is, and we'll put a event here or a special occasion. Something that will happen will go here. Okay, so when is your birthday? Then we will learn how to answer. So how to answer this question. It's on, it's at, it's in. So we'll say it's on, and then we put a time here. Okay, so when is your birthday? It's on, and I put the time or date here. And today we will focus on, at, and in. These are prepositions. These are prepositions of time. So we use these when we give answers, and we put a time here. So we will review how to use these. And then we will learn about capitalization. Capitalization. That's making letters big. Okay, so we will learn about capitalization with time words. Okay, so we'll focus today on when to use capitals with different words that we use for time. Okay, great. So let's start with cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay, what's the difference? Okay, do you know? Okay, cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are numbers we use to count things. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 green counters. We have 3 red counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow counters. Okay, so to count things, to count nouns. Okay, if you remember the last class, we talked about nouns. Nouns are things. Okay, so I've colored this green. So 1 apple, that's a noun. 5 pens, 6 books. So when we want to count nouns, count things, we can use a cardinal number. Cardinal number. Okay, we also use cardinal numbers to tell the time. Okay, we use cardinal numbers to tell the time. It's 6:30. Okay, so that means 6 hours and 30 minutes. 6 hours and 30 minutes. It's 6:30. Okay, so ordinal numbers. These are different. Okay, we use ordinal numbers to tell the order of things. So try to remember ordinal numbers, order. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are ordinal numbers. So we also use ordinal numbers for floors. Okay, so we have the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. Okay, so these are ordinal numbers. And we can use cardinal numbers to count. So how many floors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 floors. Okay, and ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We can also use ordinal numbers for position. Okay, so he is first. He is second. He is third. He is fourth. This is their order. And we can use ordinal numbers for stages that something happens. Okay, so in school grades, this is the first grade, this is the second grade, this is the third grade. So we use ordinal numbers to say the order of the grades. And importantly, today, we use ordinal numbers for dates, specific days of the month. Okay, so I'll count through for your review. Okay, so you can listen to the ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Okay, so if you need review, okay, practice reading these numbers. These are all ordinal numbers. Okay, these are all ordinal numbers. Okay, so let's do an example to say a date. Okay, so the month is August. And let's see, first, second, third. Okay, so the third day of August. We say August 3rd. August 3rd. Okay, so let's put it together. Here is an example. Okay, this is the life cycle of a frog. Life cycle of a frog. Okay, so there are 5 stages. There are 5 stages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there are 5 stages in the life cycle of a frog. That's a cardinal number. We are counting how many. Okay, so the first stage is the egg stage. The second stage is the tadpole stage. The third stage is the tadpole with gills stage. The fourth stage is the tadpole with legs stage. And the fifth stage is the adult frog stage. Okay, don't worry about these words too much. But let's have a look. So, how many stages are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 stages. And what is the first stage? What happens first? Okay, so we have the egg stage. Okay, what is the second stage? That's the tadpole stage. And how about the fifth stage? The fifth stage. Yeah, that's the adult frog stage. Okay, so these are ordinal numbers. And to count, we use cardinal numbers. Okay, if you're tired, it's okay, take a break. Okay, we'll go slowly. Okay, fighting. Okay, so grammar time. Let's learn some in-depth grammar. Okay, the book grammar for this topic. We'll practice statements and answers. And it goes like this. Okay, so we say, my birthday is on January 1st. My birthday is on January 1st. Okay, so we put an event here at the beginning. Then we say is, because there's one thing, one event. My birthday is. And we have a preposition on January 1st. Okay, so we can use on when we talk about dates. Okay, so my birthday is on January 1st. Let's try the field trip. The field trip is on, let's say, August 10th. Okay, so to change this sentence, all you have to do is put the event here, the event or a special occasion. So the field trip is an event. Earth Day, it's maybe a special day. My birthday, it's a celebration. And then is, on, and then put the month. And then put your ordinal number. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, let's practice. So look at the pictures. Okay, let's count with some cardinal numbers. Let's count how many. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 events. There are 6 events. Okay, your birthday is on January 22nd. Okay, then we got Children's Day. Children's Day is on May 5th. We have Parents' Day. Parents' Day is on May 8th. So May 8th. The school field trip is on June 10th. Okay, we have the math quiz. Can you do this one? The math quiz is on July 23rd. Sports Day is on October 2nd. Okay, so practice these at home. Pause your video and practice. Okay, and let's move on. Great. Okay, so asking questions. Asking questions. So to ask when a special occasion is or a specific event, we can ask when is, and then put the event here. When is my birthday? When is Hangul Day? When is Children's Day? Okay, so when is, and then put your event here. Okay, it's just one event. That's why we use is. Okay, so let's practice. Okay, so I want you to listen. I will do 2, and then I want you to practice all of them at home. Okay, so when is your birthday? Okay, when we say it faster, we go, when is your birthday? So don't forget, we have a question mark, so it's a question. Change your intonation. When is your birthday? Okay, Children's Day. When is Children's Day? When is Children's Day? Okay, I want you to practice these 4 at home. Okay, pause your video. If you don't do it, I will know. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so let's put it together. Put it together. Okay, so let's practice. When is my birthday? When is my birthday? My birthday is on January 22nd. My birthday is on January 22nd. When is Children's Day? When is Children's Day? Children's Day is on May 5th. Children's Day is on May 5th. Okay, so these are questions I want you to practice, and these are answers. But if someone asks you when is, let's say, when is Earth Day? When is Earth Day? When we answer, we don't need to say the subject again. We can just say it. It. When is Earth Day? It is on October 10th. It is on October 10th. Okay, so when someone asks a question, you don't have to say the subject again. You can just use the pronoun. This is a pronoun, it. Okay, so at home, I want you to practice asking questions and then practice answering questions. Okay, make sure you pause your video. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so at, in, on. These are prepositions of time. We call these prepositions. Okay, when you answer when something happens, we can give general or specific information. We must use the prepositions at, in, or on to match the correct type of information. Okay, this sounds confusing, so we will practice one at a time. Okay, so have a look here. At, in, on. So for times, we use the preposition at. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 5 o'clock. When do you get up? I get up at 8 a.m. When is the math test? The math test is at 9:30. Okay, so for times, we use the preposition at. Okay, for seasons, spring, summer, fall, winter, we use the preposition in. Okay, so it's warm in the spring, it's hot in the summer, it's cool in the fall, it's cold in winter. Okay, so for seasons, we use in. For months, any month, we also use in. I will go to Busan in January. I will study English in March. Okay, so any month we can use in. Okay, my birthday is in May. Days. So any day of the week, we can use on. When is the math test? It's on Friday. When is the field trip? It's on Thursday. Okay, so days use on. And dates. Okay, so this is a month and the ordinal number for the specific day in the month. Okay, so when is the field trip? It's on December 3rd. When is the science quiz? It's on January 5th. Okay, so make sure not to get too jumbled. So if it's just a month, we use in. If it's the date, the whole date, we use on. Okay, so take a moment to study this and try to remember it, and we will do some practice. Okay, so on. We use on for the dates and days. Children's Day is on May 5th. Sports Day is on October 2nd. Earth Day is on April 22nd. Okay, and days. The math test is on Friday. The science test is on Tuesday. Okay, so dates and days, we use on. In. We use in for months and seasons. Months and seasons. So my birthday is in March. Children's Day is in May. And seasons here. Chuseok is in fall. It snows in winter. Okay, and at. We use at for times. School starts at 8:30. The math quiz is at 11:30. I go home at 6:45. Okay, so if it's a time, use at. Okay, your turn. Okay, can you remember which one matches which preposition? Okay, so let's have a look. Times, 9:30, 5 o'clock. At. Seasons, spring, summer, fall, winter. In. Months. In. Days. On. And dates. On. Okay, so try to remember these. At, in, on. Okay, so giving more information. We can use more than one type of time and date if we want to give more information. Okay, when is your birthday party? When is your birthday party? My birthday party is on May 5th at 6 o'clock. Okay, so this is more information, more specific. We need to know the date and the time. Okay, so we can put them together. My birthday is on May 5th at 6 o'clock. Okay, here's a tip. In English, you can mix the order of the information. It will have the same meaning. So you can switch these around and it's okay. Just put it at the end. Just put them both at the end of your sentence. So here's an example. My birthday is on January 2nd at 6 o'clock. And change it around. My birthday is at 6 o'clock on January 2nd. Okay, so they have same meaning. You can make longer sentences by putting the information stacked. Okay, so your turn. At home, if you have your notebook and the pencil, I want you to write out some sentences using these easy prompts. Okay, I want you to write full sentences. Okay, so my birthday party, 6 o'clock, May 9th. How can we make this a full sentence? Okay. My birthday party is at 6 o'clock on May 9th. Okay, next one. The math quiz, Wednesday, 11:30 a.m. Okay, I want you to make a full sentence using these prompts and try to think. Do you need at, on, or in? The math quiz is on Wednesday at 11:30 a.m. Okay, so we have on and a day and at with the time. Okay, the field trip, January 5th. Ooh, easy. So we have a date here. Do we need at, in, or on? The field trip is on January 5th. The field trip is on January 5th. Okay, we have Chuseok, fall. Okay, so this is a season. We say Chuseok is in fall. Chuseok is in fall. I don't know where the answer went for that one. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, capitalization, grammar review. Capitalization, grammar review. Okay, there are a few rules about when to capitalize words in English. Okay, so capitalization means making letters big. Okay, we call this a capital letter, capital A, and we can also say uppercase. This is an uppercase A. So in middle school and high school, they sometimes stop saying big A and they say capital, capital letter, capital A, uppercase A. And we can call this a small a or a lowercase a, lowercase a. So let's review capitalization for today's topic about time and dates. Okay, so capitalization of days and months. Okay, so days of the week need capital letters. Capital letters. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They all need capital letters. And months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So months of the year need capital letters. But be careful. The names of seasons are not capitalized. So spring, small letter. Summer, small letter. Fall, small letter. Winter, small letter, so lowercase. So review, days and months, uppercase, capitals. Seasons, lowercase. Okay, capitalization of proper holidays. Okay, holidays and special occasions. Christmas, Chuseok, New Year, Earth Day, Sports Day, Children's Day. These holidays and special occasions need big capital letters. Okay, these are national holidays. Okay, but be careful, do not put a capital letter for things that are smaller, just local events, okay, like school field trip. That's not a national holiday. The math quiz, the school festival, okay, these do not count as special holidays, so they get lowercase, small letters. And a birthday isn't a holiday, so it doesn't need to be capitalized. Okay, so birthday, like here, small b, lowercase b. Except in the sentence, happy birthday. In happy birthday, you will see capital letters. Great. Okay, so let's put that together and review. I want you to fix the mistakes. Fix the mistakes. Okay, so when is your birthday? Okay, there's a mistake here. Yeah, okay, we got a big B for birthday. So we need to make that a small b. Okay, birthday is small b. But we got happy birthday. Happy birthday. Remember, for this one, we put two big B's. A big B, a big H. Happy birthday. This is special case. When is Earth Day? Okay, so here we need a big E and a big D. Okay, this is a national special day, national occasion. Earth Day is on August 2nd. Earth Day is on August 2nd. Okay, so we need the big D here. And August, remember, month. If it's a month, it needs a capital letter. When is the math quiz? When is the math quiz? Okay, is this a national holiday? Is this a famous event? No, so this is just small lowercase letters, small lowercase m and lowercase q. When is the math quiz? It's on Friday. It's on Friday. Yeah, so this is a day of the week. So remember, day of the week, we need big F. Wow. Good job. Okay, was that difficult? Okay, that's a lot of grammar. So if you can't remember everything, I want you to re-watch the video. Okay, especially in, on, at. Those are important prepositions. Okay, so study hard and fighting. Okay, see you soon. Okay, bye. Bye, bye, bye.